If you want to know how to fix live option not showing on the TikTok, you've come to the right place. So the steps are quite simple, but make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. If you don't have the ability to create lives, you need to watch this video till the very end. So firstly, we need to open our settings and here scroll down till the very end to find our TikTok among all the apps. By the way, on the Android navigation could be a little bit different. So here we need to check, does TikTok have access to our camera? Only in this case, we'll be able to start our live translation. So enable it on your settings. So as you can see now, it's enabled as for me, and also you can change all the other settings are they the same as I have on my device. And the next thing I suggest you to do is that you need to open App Store or Google Play and here search for TikTok. So make sure to have the latest version because sometimes you won't be able to use some features on your not updated one, and you need to update it to the latest version. So as you can see, if you have the option to update or upgrade, just simply click and wait until everything is done, and in this case everything will be okay. And let's wait for a little and I'll show you the last step. So when you've done these steps, you can try to check, do you have live option. If you still don't have this feature, you just simply need to open our profile, then click on more in the right top on these three dots, and here click on settings and privacy. After that, scroll down till the very end, and here we need to click on report a problem. So we'll try to contact to TikTok support. Here scroll down and find live, and after that we'll come to next page. As you can see, we have a couple of options. We can click on other hosting live issues, the last line here, and after that we'll come to next page where we need to click on no and then click on need more help. So after that we need to explain our problem. We need to write something like this feature is not showing for me, and then we just simply need to click on submit. After that, TikTok support team will receive our message and they will fix it from themselves, so we don't have to do anything. All we need to do is just simply wait for a little. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye guys.